Key Nation, what is going on, man? It's your boy Emmanuel King, and today you see it in the title. We're going to be going over how to attain over 1 million views as a musician on Instagram Reels, fam. I did it. So if I know how to do it, y'all know how to do it, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Save that like button. We in movement, boy. Let's get it. King Nation, welcome to the channel, fam. You guys see it in the title. I know you guys want to go up. I know you guys want to blow up. I know you want to increase your fans. That's the reason why you came to this video right now, because you saw the title and you like, bro, I want to get over 1 million views on Instagram Reels. So let me see what Uncle King is talking about, okay? And like I said before, I did it. I've done it, okay? So if I did it and had success doing it, y'all gonna know how to do it. This is what this channel is for, to help y'all, you feel me? I wanna spread value and spread light and spread knowledge and positivity to the world, you feel me? So let's go ahead and get into it, man. How to achieve over 1 million views. Now, this title was kind of clickbait, no cap. This title was kind of clickbait because the video that I'm getting ready to talk about has about 925,000. Granted, give it a few more months. Give it a few months and it's gonna get to that million. Bro, what did you talk about? I ain't do nothing. Bet, for sure. We're gonna handle it when I get out the stool. Yeah. Hold on, bro. Calm down, breathe. What's the problem? Problem? I don't got the problem. It's the homie. He got the problem. What happened? He mad because I slid on his baby mama. You slid on his baby mama? Yes. Of course he gonna be mad, bro. That's his baby mama. See, bro, that's that jealousy shit. Jealousy? Yes, nigga, he always want what I got. What? Damn right. See, matter of fact, play the shit. I got something for his ass. Play it.
Jealousy. I see you weigh on him heavily. Sauce with a drip, I'm a motherfucking boss in this bitch, man. I feel like Randy Moss with the grip. Got a lock on the chick, though. Babies in the east, I forget, man. She practically choke when she spit. I'ma name it.
I do have a video that has over 1 million views, but we're not talking about that one because that's for TikTok and we ain't even talking about that, all right? So it was kind of clickbait, but nevertheless, I'm finna give you guys some very, very important information. So I broke it down into 3 components, right? I got a list, you know what I'm saying? And the first, I'll put up number 3. The first, excuse me, y'all, it's been a long day. The first thing that you need in order to achieve over 1 million views, and I think it's actually one of the most important ones, is consistency, okay? This is number 1, consistency. Now, you can post a video, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna automatically get 1 million views. It could happen. It's just very unlikely that it is going to happen. Let's keep it real, bro. You have to continuously post views over and over again in order for you to achieve that one video that gets over 1 million views. Now, granted, when you first start, it's literally a growth thing, right? So when you first start, your quality of your content is not gonna be good, okay? Unless you already have training or you already know exactly what you're doing before, you already know how to put content together and exactly what you need to include in order to get the audience engaged. If you know exactly what you're doing from the jump, then you might achieve, you have a more of a possibility or a probability of you actually achieving over 1 million views when you first start off. But if you're just starting off as a content creator and you know that you want to get your feet wet, you know that you want to grow your music and grow your fan base through these reels and through content creation, it's gonna be hard I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be hard at first. It's gonna be pretty difficult at first. You ain't gonna know what you're doing, all right? So this is exactly what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you guys that when you start off, it's not gonna just happen like that. You gotta continuously experience hardships. You gotta go through trials and tribulations and troubles and confrontations and conflicts and all that stuff in order for your content to get to that point to where when you release it and it goes up out of nowhere, you like, yo, what the, like, I almost cussed, it's a family channel. You're gonna be like, what the heck? Like, why? Out of nowhere, it's gonna get 1 million views or 2 million views overnight. You're gonna be like, what? Because you already put that work in before previously, that consistency that led you to get to that point, okay? So that is the number 1 thing. When you start, don't stop. Do not stop, bro. Keep going. You feel me? Consistency is very, 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 very important. That's exactly what I did, fam. That's exactly what I did. I did YouTube interviews at first, and then I said, you know what? I'm not doing YouTube interviews anymore. Let me go ahead and do this music full time. I did and released, I think, at least a cool 100 videos, maybe 100, 150. I don't know. I released a cool a few hundred videos before I legitimately went viral on one of them. You know what I'm saying? So consistency, that's very, very, very important. Do not get down when you release your video when it only gets 10 views or it only gets 100 views or 1,000 views. Don't get down on yourself, bro, because firstly, you already working on yourself. You doing exactly what you need to do in order to get to that next level. That's number one. And number two, it's expected. It's expected. Don't get down on yourself, man. Consistency is key. It's very, very key, okay? That is number one, all right? Number two has to be quality content. There's no way around it. Now, there are some videos out there on TikTok and Instagram Reels where, you know, the quality might be mundane. It might be distortion in the you know, with the filming coverage. It might be bad audio, and just whatever is inside of that video, the content that's inside of that video is dope. Okay, and that's what made it go viral. But that's very few and far in between. For the most part, the videos that go viral have great quality content. So in order to do that, in order to, as I said before, increase the probability of you going viral, of getting over 1 million views, you need to make sure that that's quality content. Now, what does this quality content consist of? This consists of a good camera, okay, good lighting. That's why you're watching this video, right? I got a good camera, Canon 70D. I got good lighting, this ring light right here, and I got this little blue aura. You feel me? I like to set the mood for whenever the women come. Ooh, should I cut that out? Nope, not cutting it out. I tell you, King don't cut on this channel. Nope. No, it don't. No, it don't. Hey, man, listen, okay? I'm human, all right? Anyways, quality content, bro. Quality content. That is very, very, very important. You need that. You need that. And as I said before, the more consistent that you are, the easier quality content is going to be for you to make. It's going to be like clockwork, routine. I promise you, it's going to be like clockwork. So you have to make sure that you invest in a ring light. Go on Amazon. Very, very simple. Okay, we live in 2022 today. You can get anything. Anything is accessible, literally at the palm of your hands. It's accessible. Just go on Amazon, type in ring light, order one, okay, and then get you can literally record off your phone if you have an iPhone. I don't recommend Android because who does? But I mean, it's up to y'all, man. I ain't gonna pass no judgment. I ain't gonna pass no judgment, man. If you rockin' with an Android, rock with that Android, man. Go crazy. You feel me? But I recommend that you get iPhones because I'm always team iPhone. And just Androids just seem to lack in quality when it comes down to this filming stuff. You know what I'm saying? But it's just me. But it's up to y'all what y'all want to do. Either which way, make sure you get a camera, okay? Make sure you get a good quality camera. Save up for it. If you can't afford it, save up for it. Do that extra odd and end job on the weekends, you know, and have a little savings, and then once you actually accumulate 500, 600 bucks, go out and buy you a nice quality camera. Now, that is not to say you need a quality camera in order to make quality content. Hear me out on this, right? Just as long as you have a good image and a good, rather fair lighting, that's all you need. Okay, that is all you need. If you wanna start off on your phone, if you don't have that and you can't necessarily afford it as of right now, I would still, okay, shut up. Siri talking. I don't know why Siri talking. I didn't tell you to talk. Shut up. All right. Now, that doesn't mean that you automatically need that right off rip. Okay, you want to build to it. Start as fast as you can, all right? Because then you'll get to know and get your feet wet. You'll start to get acclimated to what you're doing as far as content creation. Still, with whatever you have, film, okay? But you want to build up to the point to where you start to get more quality once you understand exactly what to do, and master what you're doing first, and then start to build up, okay? Quality content, very, very, very important. Now, that's the material side of it, right? The next thing that you need to worry about is how engaging that content is, okay? Draw people in. It's got to have a hook. Is it going to automatically capture somebody's attention as soon as they scroll to it? As soon as they scroll, because we live in an era now, in a generation where we have a short attention span. I'm pretty sure that you probably might have already clicked off this video. But that's the era that we live in, bro. Like, we have a very short attention span, so you want to make sure that whatever video that you're creating is gonna you know, draw somebody's attention just that fast, quick, okay? And then you want to make sure that it has the meat and potatoes in the middle of the video in order for people to sustain that attention, right? That's going to increase your watch time, all right? And then at the end of it, you want to make sure that you are leaving the people with more. My fault, man. I got to be light-skinned at all times. The light on my computer went out. But you got to make sure that you're leaving people for more. They want more at the end of it, okay? So that's very, very important. Make sure that you have those 3 factors whenever you're content creating, all right? Very, very, very important, all right? Number 3, relatability. That's very, very important too, all right? Now, what do you mean by relatability? Relatability is, can people look at whatever you're creating specifically and be like, I've went through that before, or I know somebody that's went through that before, okay? Those 2 factors of relatability are very, very important, because that way, when they see it, they can be like, oh, like, you know, they feel closer to the content. They feel involved in the content, right? And that's what you want. You want to make sure that your audience is involved in the content. Have they experienced it? Do they know somebody that's experienced it? Do they have a take on it because of something that they've experienced? All that is super duper important whenever you're content creating. And keep it in mind whenever you're writing your script down. Whenever you're putting together, you know, whenever you're putting together a skit, you know, do you know somebody that's experienced what you're talking about? Do you like, that's super duper important, okay? Keep that in mind. And one of the things that you can review over in terms of relatability whenever you're starting your content is, okay, think about this. What does everybody experience? Work, right? School, right? The job. What else is people experience? Relationships, close friends, things like that, right? So include those factors in your content creation, bro. Include and get creative. Get super duper creative with it. That is what content creators do. We get creative. We think about different types of ways to implement relatable topics, and that's exactly why you see content creators now talk about, oh, that person is always doing this. We all know that person that does this, or we all know that person that acts like this. Content creators do that now because they know that that's something that they've experienced, and they know that other people have experienced that exact same thing as well. Okay, so relatability, bro, that's super duper important, man. All right, so those are the 3 main factors that you need to do in order to achieve over 1 million views. So that is it, man. I just wanted to sit here and talk to you guys, let you guys know exactly how I attained this, and that you can do it too. Okay, you just got to sit down, you know, and do the work. If you're not willing to do the work, then you're not going to attain the views, and you don't want to be successful in life. So I mean, it's just that simple, fam. If you like this video, comment down below, let me know that you like it. Make sure that you smash that like button, bro. If you guys got any questions, you guys know how to hit me in my DMs, in the comment section. It don't matter, I'm here, you feel me? So thank y'all so much. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, fam. Gang.